tad misty this morning. Definitely a chilly morning. So I've hired a couple of people to do something which you might not think is a priority. It's not on my job smorgasbord, but it's something that was started like 2.5 years ago, and it really needs to get done, and I think it'll make the front of the cottage look a lot more beautiful. And things don't always have to be practical. Sometimes it's just got to be beautiful. And this is something I definitely don't have the skills to do it. I can do it in an area not seen by many, but for like the front of the cottage, I think it needs to be done by professionals. Pigs are going to be happy. Lots of fruit for them. Cocoa Pop has been doing a lot of nesting. Where are you, Cocoa Pop? Where are you? Where are you? Yeah, you come. Look what I got for you. Some oranges. You want some oranges? Let's put them down over here, because they're quite small and I'm holding the camera and you might just take my hand. There we go. Let me get some for gingerbread and the piglets. I think the broken ones and the small ones will be good. I'll give a couple of lemons, just as an afternoon snack. Oh, feeding time. She's been such a good mom, Gingerbread. And you? Ah, you look like a hamster. Oh my goodness, I can't feed the one lot without the other lot all coming to look. It's not really feeding time yet, but I suppose you might want a treat. You want some oranges? You want some oranges? What's that, Chris? You jumping up? Look what a great job on this wall. It's going to make such a huge difference. And if you have any building needs in the Castella Branco area, Thomas is available. He does carpentry, he does pointing, he does all kinds of things.
And small masonry work.
Small masonry work.
Yeah.
Matty also does building work, especially natural building. She specialized in it. Look how proud she is. She can't stop smiling. Now she's going to be on YouTube. So Mattie does clay and lime renders.
Huh?
What else do you do? You with your natural building, you do clay and lime renders, and what else?
Yeah, and pointing, and that's mainly what I specialize in.
Excellent. If you need pointing done, these are the people you need to contact.
Woo!
I've got to just show you this beautiful work they've done today. What a difference it makes. So it's been quite a job to get all the horrible ugly cement out, and they've just started pointing this part, but look how beautiful it looks. So I can't wait to see it when all of this is filled in as well. But really great work. I'm so happy. So this is where I think I'm going to put these trees, just down a little few down here. It all depends, of course, on how hard the ground is and if I can actually dig a hole. Got them all in with their little protector, but it's not going to stop from the leaves at the top. I might close up that entrance there. Can't close up this one though. Of course, my hands are beautiful. Going to give the pigs some water. They think it's feeding time, but they can wait a bit. I'm so pleased with the work Thomas and Mattie have done. Mattie's coming back tomorrow just to finish just this little section over here. Otherwise, the rest is done, and what a beautiful job they have done. It makes such a huge difference. An absolute facelift for this old lady. I love it. And of course now when the the lime mortar in between dries, it goes light like that side over there. So it's going to look really good. So just this last little area. But they've done such a great job. I recommend them highly if you are needing pointing done. Really good job. My friend Greg is going through a bit of a tough time at the moment. He's having lots of chemo. So he's back from the hospital for a week or two before he goes back in again for the next round of chemo. And he's going to pop around later today, and I told him I'm going to make him something special. So I'm going to make him an Oreo cheesecake. So the pointing is finished. Look what an awesome job has been done. What a huge, huge difference to that horrible cement slapped on pointing that was here when I bought the farm. And Matty filled in these two indentations that were in this rock for the doorstep in the front, which always seemed to collect dust and sand that you'd walk in. So that's going to be much easier to keep clean now with the broom. Got a wagon of stuff to go to the trash bins. These are just like empty feed bags, but also bags that I got fruit donations in. So it's quite a lot. It always makes it look so much tidier once you get rid of these bags. But if you don't want to tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Here we go, turning all the wrongs into rights. Here we go, you can take me there tonight. Whoa, this life is all we know. Whoa, I can't stay if you can't let it go. I never really know what's going on. And even when you're next to me, I feel like you were gone. It's all the things you never show. They're all the things I want to know. Secret stars. So I've now done about a quarter of the kitchen floor, and you can see I've just mopped it now. So you can see how good it looks with the grouting in. I've just got to finish the rest. So that's it for today's video. You can see quite a bit of work done. I just received some news that's not so great, and what I want to say is, if you're feeling down and depressed, please speak to someone. Don't take your life, and yeah, just speak to someone if you're feeling sad. Anyway, in the meantime, stay sane, stay safe. I'll see you on the next video. If you want my Oreo cheesecake recipe, I made a video about it. The recipe videos I do are bonus videos, and they're not my normal vlog videos. So the week that I put out a recipe video, that week will have 3 videos. So it doesn't mean that I'm changing my channel from vlogging about the farm life and the renovation to just recipes that you must unsubscribe. Because whenever I put out a recipe video, I always lose subscribers. So just so you know, it's a bonus video. If you don't want to watch the recipe, you don't have to watch the recipe, but the normal 2 videos a week will still come out.